When your compressor fails to deliver enough oil-free air, you need temporary coverage. As the Earth warms up, you want a machine solution that's resistant against high ambient temperatures without reducing air delivery. A machine whose minimized emissions protect people and the environment. An energy-friendly solution that does not overload your power net at startup, and silent running to reduce noise nuisance. AERZEN Rental now has a solution that does all that. Our TVS Series sets a new rental benchmark for oil-free Class 0 purity compressed air compressors, so that you're ready for today's demands and tomorrow's challenges. Thanks to the sophisticated acoustic design features, the TVS Series are super silent. The advanced cooling system sustains and maintains full capacity even at very high ambient temperatures. Large air coolers assure the highest volume of air delivery so that you can be sure of full capacity without the need for cooling water. Multiple variable speed drives allow for smooth regulation so that you don't overload the power net at startup. Only the required amount of air is compressed and cooled, saving energy. And the use of VSDs make it easier to utilize existing power nets and avoid the use of polluting diesels. Our TVS Series ensures smooth operation by using state-of-the-art control systems with VSDs on all motors. The TVS are equipped with remote monitoring to secure optimal operation. The TVS Air Compressor Series can be used for industrial processing and applied at any location where Class 0 oil-free air purity is required. It's suitable for anything, from process air up to tunnel construction. Above all, it adds real value for industrial areas in urban locations and in environments with higher ambient temperatures. Our rental equipment is always ready to go, quick to install, and easy to operate. With our new TVS Series, we now offer you a solution that is robust, super silent, and more temperature resilient than ever before. We bring the solution you need, 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Connect to your local rental specialist. www.aerzenrental.com